Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure you're signed into the Samsung account that's linked to the phone. Back up your apps and data using Smart Switch or Samsung Cloud so nothing is lost during the change. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and open settings, then accounts and backup. Make sure you can view the Samsung account profile. You'll need account access to edit country or to open the Samsung account portal in a browser. Now proceed to edit the country field in your Samsung account profile. In Settings, go to Accounts and Backup, tap Samsung Account, choose Profile and look for Country/Region. If it's not editable on the device, sign into Account. Samsung. Com from a browser and update address and country there. Complete any verification prompts. Make sure to change related services like Galaxy Store and Samsung Pay locales. So finish by restarting your phone and opening Galaxy Store and Samsung Pay to confirm regional content and billing options updated. If you still see the old country, sign out of the Samsung account on the device and sign back in to force refresh. Make sure any active subscriptions or payment methods are compatible with the new region. Cancel or update them if required. If the profile field is locked or region won't change due to a regional lock or pending transactions, contact Samsung support for account-level assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.